Good morning, YouTube. I know I look a little crusty right now. I might sound a little crusty. I didn't get that much sleep last night, and I set an alarm to get up early because I have a lot to do today. That's why I thought it was gonna be a great idea to go ahead and vlog my weekend and what all I do. So keep watching, and hopefully this video will be a good one because I make so many vlogs. Literally, you know, I make so many vlogs and like never post them because I'm like, I'm sometimes not the best vlogger. Lost my light. But yeah, we're gonna vlog today. We're gonna vlog this weekend. Got some plans, and I'd love for you to come and keep watching. So okay, so I'm in the mall shopping right now. I'm sorry, but I'm looking for some fits because I have a photo shoot in a couple hours. The sliding is not doing any justice. But yeah, I have a shoot in a couple hours, and I'm just looking for some cute outfits. I have some outfits put together, but I'm just trying to, like, you know, do a little extra shopping, see what else I can find. I haven't found anything. It's honestly been no luck so far. I've been in a lot of stores in the mall, and no luck. New store, so wish me luck. I also picked up some pretzels I have not eaten this morning and some water. I was gonna get some Starbucks, but I'm like, you know what? Let's not go all in. I wasn't even supposed to have these pretzels. I was supposed to have a smoothie for breakfast, but I got really hungry, so I got some pretzels. Face is not needing any sweets right now, but like I said, I got hungry, so. Hey guys, so I'm on set for my first shoot. This is the first fit, first face, first everything. And what you guys think? Makeup beat to the gods, of course. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get this vlog started because I need to go ahead and get this shoot started, okay? Like the raw, the behind the scenes.
Raw, no cut, B?
You gotta introduce yourself.
I ain't shit, but I'm a photographer.
He didn't even.
Hey, there you go. Just gotta run the format. Okay. Go ahead, queen. You know. A little something. Hey. Go ahead. Keep it. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yes. Perfect. There you go. Professional, man. Look at that. This is you, man. There you go. Yeah, do that. How you was looking up. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, stay like that. Do that same pose again. Do that same pose. 1, 2, 3.
Those are good.
Not even touched yet, baby.
Ooh, I like it.
It's all you. It's all you. Let's do another one, okay? Put that thumb right there, Nikki.
It's gonna work.
Yeah.
Look at these shots.
Right. Come on. There you go. Look up at that light right there. There you go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And then another one. 1, 2, 3. There we go. One more. You can smile, love. You gotta keep smiling. There we go. We're good. Let's go train. Look at this. Look at that. Look at you.
Cute. Say hey to the camera. Hey to the vlog.
Keep dancing on the floor. know you go to a soul food spot when they got watermelon punch.
Yes, but I ain't never seen that on my side of the
On the pole, yeah. I had this playing with this look. Kind of need something from the side here. For the side. There you go. Boom. Kind of need that look like that. There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay, perfect. There you go. There you go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. There you go. She's like, you see that booty, daddy? You see that?
I wish I could move in this shirt.
I'm your hype man. That's how my hand itching, so that means more money about to come through. Hey, hey, hey.
No, that one's really good. Who is that? These are really good.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. There you go, love. There you go. There you go. Stay like that. Come on. There you go. I had to capture that. All right, ready? Part 1, 2, 3. One more. There you go. Perfect. Let's do one more and then let's change. Let's see. I'm trying to think. Oh, you know what? I got something. Kind of give me like this lean forward, but kind of. Just thought about it. There you go. Oh yes, hell yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Last fit, everybody. Last fit.
Right. Let's do this. Ready?
I was born.
Headshot.
Niggas with right intentions. Shit like therapy, cause you know how to talk. And when the
There you go.
listen,
Smile.
kind of
See that
stuff when
smile.
it don't change.
There you go.
Natural with extensions.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. Oh my gosh. These are.
You should know I'm tweaking when I say I'm through. You the only
So the photo shoot went great. I am now on my way to get my hair done. I'm kind of late because I got stuck in Atlanta traffic. But yes, the photo shoot went bomb. I'll show you guys the pics. And yeah, I'm looking cute or whatever. God. Hey, hunty. Shawty cute, shawty bad, shawty is thick. I'm getting my hair done if you can't tell. Shawty was cute at her photo shoot. Just, I don't look cute right now. I'm in the process of getting my hair done, as you can tell. And my baby grinding slowly. stay tuned. I will show you guys the finished product, of course, and I can't hold the camera straight. I'm so sorry. I'm a terrible vlogger. Yeah, I'm about to get my hair done, and if my camera lasts to the finished product, I'll show you guys. So we're just waiting for my closure to dry. I had to go ahead and get it tinted because it was a little bit too light for my skin. Don't know what happened, but anyway, I honestly think I got the wrong closure. But, ooh, wait, Shawty needs to get her nails done. I actually think I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow. You guys will see if I do and see if I don't, but they really need to be done like ASAP. So, the next time you see me, I will have new hair, new hair, who it is, okay? So, peace.